Finally, big breaking news is out. Graduate engineer trainee role is there. Only 1 day is left. Tomorrow is the last day. The Hyderabad location is there. But not only this opportunity. I am going to tell you about Clarivate, Naukri.com opportunity. One more hiring in training. Rockwell Automation. One more hiring is the SDAT. Testing role is there. If you see, this is the. So what to do? First, watch video till end because there is shortlisting. But the good news is this Invesco company just announced the officially hiring for BTech Computer Science IT Electronic student. 26 batches eligible. No current backlog is compulsory, but in 10th 12th in graduation 60% is required, which is very minimum criteria. I hope you have 60% in academics. Full-time opportunity. There is no internship, so this is the big opportunity for you. Now what to add in resume, because you have to see the shortlisting mail, then you have to update your resume. That's it. So one thing, SQL, Excel is compulsory, which is required. Interpersonal skill is compulsory, which is you can easily see from here to here, and this also. And one more thing I want to tell you, that passion to work on cutting edge technology is there. So put all the trending tech if you having knowledge of that. So what to do, like if you see, mostly interpersonal skill is written here, and Excel and SQL is required. That's it. If you are putting these domains, then definitely you will get to see the shortlisting mail. So if you having work experience or course work or experience or personal project, even, so there is multiple options they providing. So if you having these things, you can easily mention in resume and get the shortlisting mail. That's it. Because if you see, ability to communicate and work with both technical and non-technical stakeholders, that's why interpersonal skill is mostly written here. So please update your resume and don't miss this hiring. Only 1 day is left. This is the big hiring breaking news, so please apply it as soon as possible. Update your resume first. Second, software engineering, Clarivate announced 100 application already completed. 1 day ago they posted. Bangalore location is there. If you scroll down, if you see that, this is the thing you have to keep in mind. Software engineering front end role is there. That's why click on read more. If you see that 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. Minimum criteria is that they are like a BE, computer science, that is software engineering. And if you having Angular, this is good to go. And Spring Boot, Java or secondary backend technology. But if you are having Angular knowledge in front end, primary skill set is this, so you can easily get the shortlisting mail, because Angular 18 plus is required and JavaScript. So having experience in either both of these, like Java, Spring Boot हो गया, और client side में तुमको front end पे काम करना है, Docker, any IDE, VS Code you can also mention, and these interpersonal skills. That's it. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं मांगा है. ये बहुत बड़ी हायरिंग है, ठीक है. ऑलरेडी 1 day ago they posted, so please update your resume. Don't miss this hiring. This is big hiring, ठीक है. यहाँ से कहीं से भी तुम्हें असेसमेंट का मेल मिल जाएगा, फिर तुम शॉक हो जाओगे, फिर तुम बोलोगे where is the link. But I am going to tell you about this thing, that please, if I am telling you, just apply it. That's it. Update your resume, apply it. So Rockwell Automation Engineering in training role is announced. 6 days left. You can easily update your resume. This is EIT role. BE in 25 officially announced electronic instrumentation communication engineering fresh grads and less than 12 months is eligible. Core engineering practical is eligible, and computer science fundamental is compulsory. If you see that in this hiring, there is not a computer science IT students is eligible, but computer science fundamental is compulsory, because this is pure IT role. C++, any programming is compulsory. Candidates must be joining organization within 60, and if you see that 15th March 26, and after completion training, candidate will be expected to visit customer site for industrial automation project implementation. So what to add, already told you. सामने है तुम्हारे 25 बैच की मास हायरिंग है. So put all your effort in resume, and please put any programming with projects, because if you see that design development project is compulsory, automation, cyber security, networking concept is there. Put all these domain and get the shortlisting mail. So there is the timing, and this is 1 year training program. If you see that this is the 1 year training program, they are providing you with a paid stipend. So don't worry, just apply it as soon as possible. So Sumo Logic just announced software engineering 1 role. If you scroll down 25, 24, 23 up to 1 year of experience is eligible. SDAT software development or automation engineer. Basically 3 roles is there. Anyone programming, testing, concept is compulsory. CI/CD pipeline, modern software development practice is there. And one more thing, that communication skill is very compulsory. RESTful API, microservices, distributed system is a plus point. If this is plus point, then this will enhance your shortlisting 10%. ठीक है, तो इसको ऐड कर देना जाके. और यहाँ पे अप्लाई कैसे करना है, just scroll down, and if you see that current CTC, put 0 because this is for experienced candidate, and put 5 LPA if you are a fresher, and current location give yourself, and open to work you have to give yes, and for manual experience click on yes. Having experience का मतलब ये है कि if you are putting in resume like I test this type of project, यूजिंग सेलेनियम और वगैरह वगैरह, तो वो भी एक एक्सपीरियंस है. तो अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे एंड गिव योर अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे, क्लिक ऑन अटैच एंड अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे as soon as possible because these are limited time opportunities. Click on apply now, go to the page and fill this form as soon as possible. So there is many hiring I already uploaded. Go to the video section, check out, there is Cognizant 25,000 cooling period you have to understand, and one more thing, full detail is there. Understand each and everything, then take any action and start your preparation. There is already uploaded Cognizant interview 13th of February. All detail is there, you can easily understand each and everything. If you did not receive the Cognizant Gen C even round 1, you did not receive it, so watch this video. One more hiring I want to tell you, सब कुछ सामने thumbnail में दिख रहा है. Go and hit the apply button and please watch video till end. Like this video, do subscribe my channel and please thanks for watching.